Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Bitemark Axe in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're going to draw in the opening of the mouth first with the teeth. So it's a little bit different, and this one's going to have the mouth partly open. So that's going to be the upper mouth area. Let's give it a little angle, and then this part is going to be the lower teeth area. Okay, and then let's draw in the teeth so we know where we are. So the teeth are easy. Once you have that, we can just kind of draw one big one here and just kind of zigzag. So that's 2, 3, 4, and then maybe one more on the back here. And then once you have this, on the bottom, you kind of want to match up with the top teeth. So you want to draw from here so it looks like it matches when it closes. So 1, 2, and this one here, 3, and this one's gonna match up here. Okay. So then from here, let's draw in the rest of the face. So on this part, we're gonna, on this line here, just continue on, just kind of give it a nice curve, and just kind of come out. And so this is gonna be the top of the head. So now we can finish up the top of the head. So we're gonna go up, and you can go up a little bit on this side too, so you know where you are. Okay, and then we're gonna curve it just slightly, and we're gonna go all the way across. Just kind of curve it down like that. And let's see, to show you where we are, we can draw in the eye. So right, if you go up from this area right here, draw a little, almost like an almond shape. Just have the corners a little bit sharper. And then for the eyeball, we can just shade that in so that it's looking down, a little bit more menacing. All right, and then for the eye, we can add in a little bit more detail. It's just like a bracket right there. And then on the bottom, let's give him a little bit of a baggage there. Okay, and then let's see his nostril. So we're gonna come out here. And then we gotta draw another line just around it. And then let's finish out the bottom so it doesn't look all that weird right now. So we're gonna curve it down, and then we're just gonna come across, just kind of give it a little bit of a wavy line and connect it back here. All right, so now let's finish off the spike. So right above his eye, so we're just gonna give one big spike, and then right here on the back here, it's gonna be slanting this way. And then right on the nose area right here, there's gonna be one more, but it's gonna be smaller. Okay, and let's draw in a circle here. This is for the pivot, for the jaw. And he's got some detail on the skin, so I'm just kind of drawing a little bit of these blotches. All right, so let's move on to the handle, which is gonna be easy, right? So from here, right underneath the eye, we just draw in, just kind of taper it in a little bit and then close it off. All right, and then for the handle itself, obviously straight. So I'm not gonna make it too long because I'm gonna run out of paper space. So I'm just gonna draw it like that. And you can draw longer, obviously. So I'm gonna close it off, flare it out, close it off, and then the handle just kind of comes straight down. So it's very easy. Close it off, and then for the little squeeze part here, we can just come out, and so one line here and then one longer line here. We're gonna curve it down, and then we're gonna connect these, but just kind of with a wavy line. All right, and then let's see, there's some details we can add in, the little screws. And that is it for this Bitemark Axe in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.